So peace and one perfect love, YouTube world. Me gotta get this wisdom, gotta get this knowledge, gotta get this divine understanding, man. We right here. We in Ghana, West Africa. All right. We in the north right now, to be exact. Okay. Yes, so we're actually today on the way to the Paga. All right. This is actually amazing crocodile pond, okay, where you can actually get up close to crocodiles, you know what I mean, and you can go through, do your thing, okay, family. So it'll be a really exciting journey. The trip is actually about 4 hours. It's like a 4-hour drive, you know. So yeah, so we gonna be chilling, you know what I mean. Go ahead and get it in. We gonna spend the night over there too, you know. So yeah, remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when I'm releasing a whole nother video, okay, family? So let's go ahead, let's go.
Mama, love you from the bottom of my heart, yes. Mama, I love you, love you, love you. Oh man, love you from the bottom of my heart, yes. Mama, I love you. Mama, love you from the bottom of my heart, yes. Mama, I love you, love you.
So peace, YouTube, man. We are right here. We are at the Paga Crocodile Park, okay, family. It was like a 4-hour, 5-hour drive to get here. All right, we are here, okay, family. So this is in northern Ghana, okay, about a 4-hour, 5-hour drive from Tamale, okay, and we're really, literally right at the Burkina Faso border, the Burkina Faso and Ghana border. All right, literally, like we can just go up this way maybe 10 minutes and we could be in Burkina Faso. We'll be in a whole nother country, okay? So right now we're just trying to gather, you know, a tour guide, you know, just someone that can guide us through it, because man, we are working with wild crocodiles, okay? So I know y'all want to see Zaylock on top of one, so yeah, we got to get a correct tour guide. All right, life is precious. You know, but remember to subscribe, like, comments, just share to all your people. All right, subscribe, like, comment, and let's go through, man. Share to all your people. All right, peace.
Current chief of Paga traditional area.
Okay.
He's called Pechas, so we are Paga descendant.
Okay.
He was in school in 1971.
Okay.
And these are the past chiefs.
Oh, okay. Of this area. Nice.
And this is the caretaker. The
Okay.
caretaker, the one who take care of the place.
Okay.
And these are the tour guides.
Okay. These are the tour guides for the ponds.
Yeah.
Nice.
These are the stars of the picture, the crocodile.
Okay.
And this is the history.
Okay.
So before we went there, so you have to buy a fowl.
Yeah, so right now they actually about to sacrifice yeah, so right now they about to sacrifice a chicken. You know, as you can hear it clucking, it's like, yo, this is the end of my life right now. But so the crocodiles actually chop on the chickens, and then that's what brings them out of the water, okay? So the reason why we're moving from this pond to this pond is
Because there is a lot of fish inside. So that's why we are going to this side. If they are satisfied with the fish, they don't come out like that.
yeah, because
So we are going
the
to
fish
other
come
side.
out more in rainy season.
Yeah. So if the fish then get satisfied, they don't come out.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So they're like, yo, I don't even care about this chicken that you got, you know. I'm already chopping well. Yeah, I'm chopping my fish well. So, yeah, so maybe let's go ahead and continue going on. So how long you been working here at the Crocodile Pond?
Like, since I was small, just that.
Like young?
Yeah.
You pretty much raised into it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Nice. So let's go. So right now he's calling the croc. Let's see what happens.
It's about 40 years left.
Oh, okay. Is it big though? Like,
These are the female ones. This is the normal size. This is the large.
oh, okay, the female one. Oh, okay, I see. trying to get like a powerful one so I can make a, you know what I mean?
Yeah, you
So,
can
like-
touch it.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just trying to get something, you know. So let's see the size. Let's see. Yeah. So right now, family, man, if y'all look close enough, you all can see it. All right, family. Yeah, it's definitely there. It's coming out. So right now, it's literally right behind us. All right. Yeah, it's taking its time. It's taking its time coming out. You know, they're still doing their thing, trying to lure it out. And he's like, yo, I am proceeding with caution. Okay, it's coming closer now. It's coming out. Look at that.
How are you? Fine. I'm fine. Where? Where did you?
Dang, look at this. Wow. Look at this, bro. It's like an ancient dinosaur, bro. Wow. You can control it like that?
Anything to happen. No, you can't. Anything to happen. Don't do that.
Wow.
Okay, so you can come and
It's
stop
cool?
it. Yeah.
Okay.
Well, come forward. You can stand on your feet. Yeah.
Boom. As y'all see this, man, come to Ghana, man. Look at this right now. This is ancient crocodile, man. Yeah, ancient one. So come out here, man. We at the Paga Crocodile Pond, all right? So wow. I'm literally holding the tail of a crocodile right now. Like, how many of y'all in the States or wherever you are in the world have said that you have held the tail of a crocodile? All right? So yeah, come to Ghana, come to Africa. Africa for the Africans at home and abroad. All right, family? So wow, look at this. This is ancient, you know. Wow. So literally right here, almost on the border of Burkina Faso right now, okay, family? So man, the farther you go deep into Africa, the more the wildlife. Y'all saw the Mole National Park, now you're seeing the Paga, okay, family? Africa is home to like the most beautiful creatures, species on the planet, all right? It's many diversities, right, that's here in the continent. And where does nature come from? It comes from the Almighty itself. It comes from the Creator, all right? So know that God blessed Africa because it wasn't human beings that created crocodiles, okay? So come here and enjoy nature, all right? So I think I bonded enough with the crocodile. I think I'm gonna let it be for now. You know, I'm sure he's ready to chop. So yeah, family, remember to subscribe, like, comment, share, all right? And hit your notification bell so you know when Zella23 is creating a whole nother video, all right, family? And y'all can catch me doing some crazy stuff like holding an alligator's tail or crocodile's tail, all right? So make sure y'all subscribe, all right? Man, real live, all right? We right here, man, Ghana, West Africa. You know what I mean? Crocodile chilling, just taking in some of this good sun out here. Alright, yeah, lured it out of the pond there. You know what I mean? Yeah, crocodile is out, all right? So Paga Crocodile Pond, man, come here, come get you some. Remember, we got the next tour in March and May, all right? 2023, March and May 2023. All right, family, if you interested in our tour in Ghana, definitely send me an email, mynaturalroots@gmail.com. You know, eventually we're trying to learn the north of Ghana so that maybe, you know, we can go ahead and start doing tours in the north as well. Okay, so that's why we're spending time here. We've probably been here now for almost 2 weeks, you know, for about 10 days, 11 days we've been here now, you know, so we're getting real familiar. But the Volta, Cape Coast, and Accra, of course, we know very, very well. Okay, we visit there very often. So, you know, come true. You know, Africa for the Africans, man. I love Ghana. I love Africa. I love my people. I love melanin people. You know, let's rise. Oh, ye mighty race, rise. Oh, you mighty people, rise. Okay. So, man, this crocodile is still chilling over here, man. Chilling hard too. Chilling, man. Yeah, y'all like, what? Is they like 23 on a crocodile? What's happening, man? Yeah, but we good though, you know, like they've had, you know, yeah, so they've had many people come through, you know what I mean, no, you know what I mean, disturbances or, you know, bad experiences. Yeah, they just peaceful. They like, yo, just give me food and I'm cool. So, you know, so that's how that's going. So, you know, definitely give thanks. And so they actually even got some horses over here too, man. I'm like, yo, I had to get on one of these horses, bro, for real. Gotta get on one of those. So, you know, let's see what happens. Yeah, so that crocodile right there, man. Yeah, female crocodile there. You know, yeah, she had actually gave birth in that pond. So that's why she's in that pond by herself. But this is the bigger pond. The larger pond is over here. All right. So, yeah, as we said, we switched because it's still you know, bless up. Yeah, we had switched, you know, because it's still rainy season. So, you know, the fish come out more during rainy season. So, in this pond over here, it's not fish like that. So that's why we knew we could lure her out. So the reason why they didn't give this crocodile the chicken, like you didn't see the chicken get gobbled up, is because, you know, really, you know, we're really probably the first people that's come in today, right? Like we're here very early, so there'll be more people coming in, and if they're too satisfied, if they're too full, everyone that comes after us, they're not going to be able to see the crocodile come out. So yeah, so they just pretty much lured it out, and so prayerfully, maybe by the end of the day, you know, things like that, they'll go ahead and get a crocodile something for chop, you know, so, you know, not to tease it too much, but yeah, man, but we give thanks, man. Beautiful experience, man. Is that like over here in Africa touching crocodile tails and crap? You know what I'm saying? But you know, we go through, man, live life, love life, travel, see the world, get your passport stamped, man, and just see the world, man. Everything outside of the education that we've been given in the school system, you know what I mean, in the American school system, or just whatever country that you're in. If it's a Eurocentric teaching, you know what I mean, just come here to Africa, man, enjoy yourself, man, and it's just so much in store. It's so much in store, man. Yeah, Ras Alban, you know, anything you want to blast to the people then?
That's what you've told them, you know.
Yeah.
We should try to, you know, put ourselves into the deep culture of Africa. There are so many things. Look at this crocodile. We can really come in, you know, tame them, get them larger, make them a tourist attraction site, make some money for our communities and develop Africa. So as Zelox is telling you, look, like, comment and subscribe.
Straight up, right
and
now.
Tell the people to know that it is my natural rules. Boom!
Straight up. All right, so let's see what these horses talking about. Majestic creatures, man. So he's just pressing into us. Yeah, definitely gotta get some. We gotta get some on the land, all right. So, you know, soon come. You know, we still developing everything on the My Natural Roots Village land, okay. And so putting out the little step ladder for I-9.
So you can.
So,
gele nga pa na bang school, amikang bang school lesson. Makama mo na tayo tawa. Unta mo to. Mo ko
farm life, you know. Okay, family. So peace, peace, peace. Love, love, love. And until next time. Peace.